Jacob City today. How high we've gone already. That's insane. Almost like Jacob City. We're gonna drop down right here, down into there where most of the kind of the city was, and a lot of the equipment was, and we'll get off and kind of hike around, show you some stuff. All right, well, this is Jacob City. It's pretty much where all the mining was going on. We'll walk around and show you around. There's an old boiler under here. There used to be a bigger building down here. We'll go down that trail here in a minute. We'll walk around here and get some pictures, show you around. How cool that looks.
Yeah.
Or maybe that was a door, I don't know. Maybe it was the side of the chute. Is it still in there?
Yeah. Is there a light?
I've got a light, yeah.
I have one.
It's in my bag. Just a little boiler too. Boiler tubes all the way through there. That's the stack that you could see up top. So it's probably wood fired, it looks like. We'll heat these tubes up and then deliver the steam out to the mines where they would be drilling. Pretty cool.
Or a loader for the wood, maybe?
Oh yeah, maybe it was an auger type and it pulled it in. That's pretty cool.
Like a cuddle in there.
Oh yeah? What's in here, bud? Oh yeah, it was totally fed with an auger. Huh. That's crazy cool. That's a boiler. There's that tree growing. out of that boiler stack. This might have been like a stamp mill, possibly. And the next place we want to go is that saddle up there where that cabin is. I don't know if we'll get there today. We still have lots of snow. Let's go up and look at this. It's pretty steep. I don't know. I don't remember that rail being here last time. In the middle of August, there's air coming out here that's just cold, cold. Old water tower right here. Been shot up. Pretty cool. Another mine right over here. Entrance, a couple of them. Right there, that one's pretty much caved in. There's a entrance there and another shaft here. How deep's that one?
I can't tell. It's packed.
Oh yeah, full of snow and everything else, huh? They're just all over. Look at this. Pile, 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 pile. It's everywhere. It's crazy. This looks like maybe a water tank. Yeah, there's water in it. Looks like a couple feet of water in there. Looks like this got washed out pretty bad right here. It's ready to fall, huh? Who knows what that was for? See how it looks. Yeah, there's a bunch more wood in here than there was before, but probably head in there here in a minute. Just go back a little bit. Super safe. There's no cave-ins, at least the last time I was here. It's all just solid rock. Let's check out some other stuff. Yeah, you can see this was quite extensive for the mine works. This whole canyon, everywhere you see piles, was some mine. There's a little dynamite shack right over here. We'll hike up that little trail to it and show you. And then all the way down this canyon, it's just pocketed with mine work. Pretty cool to see this old stuff and how they used to do stuff. I wish more of it was here and people would leave stuff alone, but it's cool to see what's left. This is where I'm pretty sure they kept the explosives, just because it was a way for the mine entrance in case anything got crazy, but I'm not positive. That's what it looks like to me. Right here, this little shack, I'm sure that's what they kept in here. I don't know what else they would have kept in here besides dynamite, unless, yeah, it's solid wood behind there. Pretty sure it was the dynamite shack. They usually kept them away from the mine. Just watch your heads.
Although the temperature's dropping.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Super
Super
stalactites forming.
Yeah.
Where's the water coming from?
Just through the ground. Just seeps in.
Smells like cigarettes.
It does, huh?
Ooh, that's weird.
Somebody might have been smoking in here.
Right. Oh, we can barely see the entrance.
Yeah. It'll disappear right here at this turn. There's an old ore chute back there. Bunch of stuff.
Horseshoe?
The ore chute.
Oh.
There's like an adit back there. You can shoot it down. Way up in there. Timbers. Kind of a cave-in area here. We'll kind of hurry through.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. There's a tank. Yeah, these were here last time. Yeah, look at that hot riveted tanks. Pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It's looking really wet. This is the wettest I've ever seen it. Just gonna watch these sections here, kind of spooky.
Spooky.
This is where the rock's falling. Ooh, that was a big hop. Oh,
Oh, it's rolling. Why'd they pick a square?
I don't know. It's kind of sketchy. Nice. Definitely need to get some more aggressive tires. Mine's about worn out. It's bouncing all over the place. Oh yeah, there's another one. Probably drops down on top of that one we're in because it's almost straight down. I bet this is just another added of it. Oh yeah. Made it up to the saddle. There's actually looks like a running, kind of like a 50 miler, but I don't know if that does it justice, but that's pure craziness. It goes up that trail. It says 4550, 2415. It's a 50 miler, so I don't know what they're doing, but that's crazy. I like riding. I think they're running it, and that's gnarly. That is really steep. So we're gonna head down to the miner's cabin. Might be some snow. Well, we made it to the other miner's cabin, but definitely a lot of snow. So we're gonna hike down here and maybe slide our way down and hike back up. Can't believe how much snow is still up here. We're almost June right now. There's a lot. Kind of skiing down. I'm gonna try to ski. I don't know. Ah! All right, we slid our way to the cabin. It's still, you can see how much snow is here. That's almost a good 3 feet up here. And let me stand here. It's up to my, well, it's probably up to about right here on my knee in spots. I'm sure it was freaking got after it up here in the winter. Let's check this thing out. She's a little shifted, but still not in bad shape. Her cheeking inside is still pretty nice.